Today we're going to be talking about some of the new features in the Intel GPA 2016 R3 release. You can download Intel GPA for free, linked in the description below. Whether you're capturing a DirectX 9, 10, or 11 frame, or capturing a DirectX 12 frame, Graphics Frame Analyzer is now the single point of entry for opening your frame files. You can filter the possible frames by API by selecting the API selection buttons at the top of the Frame Open dialog. If you choose a DirectX frame, the Frame Open dialog will now open up the correct version of Graphics Frame Analyzer for you. We've added many new DirectX 12 features in this release. You can now use the overdraw experiment on any render target within the frame to see how much pixel overdraw there is. The pixels that were touched the most are colored white, scaling down to nearly black where pixels were only touched once. We've also added debug region visualization to the API log. Now if you have your code instrumented with perf markers or enable perf markers in your engine, those perf markers will show up in the API log tree. Using these regions will enable you to better understand the makeup of your render. In addition, we have also added more ways to group ergs in the bar chart. You can now group by PSO, shader sets, and render targets. This is a very helpful feature when analyzing Unity or Unreal Engine titles so that you can check how well your render is batching draw calls. Simply select the groupings that you would like from the dropdown and turn on groupings. The bar chart will then redraw the appropriate groupings. We also now support UWP application analysis. To analyze a UWP application, open up Graphics Monitor, navigate to the UWP tab, and select the UWP application you would like to analyze. Once you have selected the application, it will launch and will be injected with Intel GPA. You can now proceed as normal through the rest of the analysis workflow. Don't forget, you can download the new release for free from the GPA website linked in the description below. If you have any questions about the release, you can post on the release thread in the Intel GPA Forums or in the comments section.